This is our final video for section 2.2, and we're talking about direct variation. Think about the things we've done already. We could look at a table and decide if it's direct variation. We could look at an equation. We could use proportions to solve direct variation, and we can use direct variation to solve real-life word problems. Now let's look at the graphs. Please note that the graph of a direct variation equation will always go through the origin. That's important to note. Always go through the origin. So in example problem 5a, we have an equation here. Notice it is direct variation, where k, or the constant, will be 3/4. What we could do is make a t-chart and do a table of values. Let's try -1, 0, and 1. If I plug -1 for the x, I get 3/4 times -1, which is -3/4, or -0.75. If I put a 0 there, 3/4 times 0 is 0. If I put a positive 1, 3/4 times 1 is 3/4, or positive 0.75. Now let's plot the data. At -1, I'm at -0.75. At 0, I'm at 0, and at 1, I'm at positive 0.75. You could connect the dots in a nice straight line. So notice this direct variation equation is a line that goes through the origin. And that's the graph of this equation. Now let's look at b. Y equals -2x. Notice k is -2 here. So we can graph this by using a table of values. Let's pick 3 points again. How about -1, 0, and 1 again? So we have -2 times -1, and we get a y value of positive 2. -2 times 0 will give me 0. And then -2 times 1 will be -2. So let's plot these points on our graph. At -1, I'm at positive 2. At 0, I'm at 0. And at 1, I'm at -2. Notice again, when I connect my dots, I have a nice straight line again, and again it's through the origin. Please list any questions you still have.